So let's have a look at what we got this morning. So nothing has substantially changed. I focused on the weekend solely on the indices because they are literally betwixt and between counts in just about every way conceivable at the moment. So I think it's important for us to try and get some clues as to the next direction. In terms of short term, well, look, this is the daily chart, so let's stick with that for now. We've had this move up. It doesn't count well as a completed impulse. It counts as a completed diagonal. And I think we're getting the B wave back against that, whatever the count is. So I'm looking for the ES to hold between as low as 26.65. It could even go to 26.40, but 65 is the line I'd like to see it hold. And a possibility of a shallow V wave, but I think less likely at 27.03. So I'm looking for that to complete today and then to push up again, hopefully through this 28.25 level, which is absolutely critical, and up towards at least 28.70. If we can get beyond that, so much the better. But one step at a time. And if we come down, just going to come straight down to the hourly chart in the ES, and picking up from where we left off on Friday. So we got that pullback on Friday. You know, that could be a 4, but it doesn't count as a 4. That looks like an impulsive A wave to me. What we're seeing is an A, B, C back up that should push up to at least 27.33 this morning, and perhaps up to 27.40 or 50 even. And then we're going to get another sell-off towards the 27.67 area, and then we go up. And it's that next move up that I'm particularly interested in. Once we've got this move's complete, and once we've got a confirmed local low in, it's projecting the fibs up off that low. So length of this off here, and watching the 1.0, 123.6 and 138.2 Fibonacci extensions to see what the interaction is between those at that point. Now, if we're going to go up in that larger diagonal, if we still have another high out there before we get the bigger pullback, then of course this is still going to be difficult in that this next move up will be the C wave of a bigger A wave of this 3. Then we're going to get another deep pullback, and it's not until we break out in the C, the bigger C wave of this 3, that we're going to take the highs out and actually have confirmation that both this is the bottom of this particular run down and that it was corrective on a lower fractal than the primary degree 4th wave, which is the final possibility that we have topped in the larger degree P3 here. So I hate having this scenario where I've got alt this, alt the other, and everything else on the charts, but I'm afraid it's absolutely unavoidable at this point in time. In terms of just day trading this at the moment, here's the target box for the B wave between the 50 and 618. If we were to push through 27.40, then it's going to go to the 764, but I am expecting at least one more flush down below the low we saw on Friday for this part of the corrective, and then up again. So in terms of day trading this morning, it's Monday again, remember, they can be more difficult for the first hour. I'm looking for a push up into this zone. We can look for shorts there potentially. And then I'm looking for a C wave down, hopefully as an impulse to the 26.40 area, and for that to hold. And the other indices are in exactly the same position.